Hello and welcome back to the solder side. Today we're going to be looking at this Systema Fast Fingers football game. Now I got this off eBay. I'll put the listing up, but it practically says that the battery cover was broken, which it is. You can see it's there and broken off, and apparently the buttons don't work. So what we'll do is I'll just pop a battery in and hold it in. Yeah, I can see stuff starting up. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it looks like it is starting up. I just try and use this because I don't think it likes my finger on it. There we go. So it looks like it's starting up. So and it's got sound, which is good. And what I'll do is at first I'll try and get this back together. I'm going to be naughty and use some super glue. I know you're not supposed to with plastic, but I don't really have any other way of getting it together. So I've got a feeling somebody just pulled this out somehow. Yeah. So can't think of any other way that I can get this attached. Yeah, let's get some super glue on it. And before I do that, let me get some tissue because I don't want it to stick to my mat. This isn't great super glue either, so I'll do my best with it. Okay. I'll leave that for a while. We'll come back in, I don't know, 5 minutes and see if that's stuck down. Okay, it's been about a couple of minutes and it does seem more solid. So I'm going to get a battery in. Oops. Let's get rid of that. Bring this over. And I'm assuming this just slides in and then sits on top. There we go. And then that can get screwed in. Beautiful. And I mean, let's see if this works. So left right works and the kick works. I don't know whether it's the screen or the game, but some of the players seem to disappear. Oops. I don't know whether it's the game or not. Yeah, like now I can't see anyone. Unless some of the players don't have balls, and that's what's confusing me. But the buttons seem to be working, which is annoying because the listing clearly said they didn't. I'll give it another go. He does have a ball. He does. Oh, he got it in. See, I'm sure there was a guy there that had the ball and he just disappeared. But it does seem to be working. So that's really annoying that the buttons do work because obviously I wanted to give you guys a good video, but unfortunately, because I'm having to pay for this stuff, I have, even though it's like this, I have to put the video out. Um, so yeah, it's not quite sure how I can stop this from happening, because obviously this has happened before where I've fixed something that's been a really easy fix. So at the moment, oh no, I can't get it out. Okay, hang on. Oh, there we go. Ian, that's still on. Awesome. Yeah, it's because they're all easy fixes. Well, I say all, but I have to make a video on them because I'm spending money on them, and they're not exactly, not all of them are cheap, but obviously I kind of set myself an amount a month so that I can make videos for everyone. But unfortunately, sometimes, like this one, they told me the buttons weren't working, but they clearly were. So I have to put this video up, but I'm really sorry it was short and really easy. I promise next week's one will be more interesting. We've got some mods, and I've got like another video where I'm going to be building something new up as well. So I don't want to give too much away of that, but please subscribe to see that, and feel free to leave some comments on how you think I should deal with things like this where it is an easy fix and the video is far too short. I kind of thought maybe do a short for it, or maybe I could do like a compilation, or maybe just have a playlist where I have short videos. I'm not sure. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.